ngebizo lami. Hey oh, mina nomhlaba singumunye, mina namanzi singumoya, mina nezihlahla ngiyakhula, ngikhumene nemvelo. Ilanga lingipende ebusweni, izintaba zingigqoka ngamawala, izinyoni zingifundisa ingoma yokubonga impilo yonke. Eyomi mina nomhlaba singumunye, mina namanzi singumoya, mina nezihlahla ngiyakhula, ngikhumene nemvelo.
Yo, yo, who's there? I can see we have Steven, Mr. Rain, and Mrs. Anya. How are you guys doing?
You're doing great.
You're doing great. I cannot see you, man. I don't know if you're doing great or you have a punch in your head.
Nah. Just give me a minute. I'm sorting something here.
Okay. Hello, Mr. Stevo.
How you doing?
I'm doing fantastic, bro. The week was super awesome. Managed to hit my goal before even the week ended. So
Yeah.
my weekend has just been woosa.
Yeah.
How are you?
Nah, I'm doing good. I'm doing good. I'm ready to learn today. I'm excited.
Mhm.
You know? Yeah.
Amazing, amazing. Did you hit your goal for the week?
Yeah. I didn't. Well, I didn't. I don't know if I hit my goal, but I've been trying to practice getting my bases.
Uh-huh.
Pointing at the bases on the charts. You know. I've been trying to also the support and resistance, marking them out. So I've been
Amazing.
doing
Wow.
stuff like that. Yeah. I've been trying to do stuff
Wow,
like
wow.
that. Yeah. Because I was watching the videos that Mr. Rain posted on the chat. I finished all the videos, so I've been trying to
Wow, wow.
practice a little bit on TradingView. Yeah.
Amazing, amazing. Oh, wow, Mao, you're doing great, man. That is super wonderful. If you've gone all that, wow, that's awesome. Congratulations, man.
Yeah, thank you. It's you guys
Amazing.
helping me, so thank you, you know?
Super, super, super. That's super great. So, yeah, I think you're a first student, so I think we're going to get you to a different level.
Yeah. Yeah.
Awesome, awesome. Yeah, I can see even I'm not seeing Humphrey, I'm not seeing who else? I'm not seeing Alan Friedman.
Yeah.
So I don't know where they are, but anyway, I think I was with them today I was in the streets. I was able to meet up with them. So I don't know where they are. But when they come in, they're going to find us on a different level now. So definitely, Mr. Rain,
Yes,
yo, brother, how are you?
I've been doing great. I thank God, first of all, and I'm so happy to see all of you here. So
Uh-huh.
I'm so blessed to be here too.
Awesome,
So I
awesome.
don't
How
have
about your
much to
goals for the
say.
week? Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I did hit my goal for the week just in one day. So
Mm-hmm.
yeah,
Awesome.
for the first time in my life, it
Mr.
is.
Anya is saying volume is low. Let me see. I don't think it is on my end.
Mhm.
Let me check what could be up. Can you guys hear me clearly on your end?
Yes, maybe she should check her volume or put on some
Yeah.
headphones. Sometimes Zoom normally has some little bit of glitches of sound.
Yeah, probably. I think it is on your end, mom. Maybe you increase your volume a little bit, or maybe or what you can do, you jump out of Zoom, then you come in. Normally that also helps if the problem persists. Mr. Rain, you're saying something?
Oh, kind of forgot what I was saying. I was talking about the Zoom actually. Yeah. Oh, I was saying I did hit my target in one day. That was my first time in my life. You see, it was due to a lot of practice. Yeah.
Yes. Yeah, it is on record. Yeah, you are going to get it. I'm recording it.
Yeah, it was due to a lot of practice. Yeah, practicing something over and over again and again. When you see it, so you can be hesitant to do it. So that's the reason. Yeah, I was not like, I wasn't thinking twice. I just saw everything was aligning, every condition was there, and I took the thing. Yeah.
Amazing. Yeah, for me, I've loved the week. Like the week has just been very much awesome. Especially if you were able to join into this last Sunday markup that we did, the little bit of the scan that we did, the market played almost all our level exactly as we hoped it's going to do. The little buys that came in Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, the sell-off, it was just amazing. So all the pairs were kind of so much good. The market has been awesome this week. There was no noise, no so many other like a lot of manipulation. So the week has just been awesome. So back to where we are. I think we discussed what we are going to discuss today. Maybe if one of you can remind me, I've not seen any person submitting any homework. Steve-O, I know you've been doing a lot of great stuff. I've not seen you submitting anything in the hub. I don't know if you did understand how to put it in the chat.
Yeah, no, can you actually help me, Uncle? If you could help me, Tonto. I think I missed that part.
Okay.
Yeah, with the homework. Yeah.
Okay, definitely. I'm going to help you so that we can run through it again. I've not seen anybody doing anything, so I was like, okay, either they went to sleep or somebody did not understand how to do it. So it's always two things. Yeah, but definitely, it was also my bad. I forgot to upload the previous recording instantly, like the way I promised I was to do it. I don't know what came in. I think I was distracted by something, and then I was just in the part of posting it. Then I left it there, and without posting it, I kind of started uploading it, but I never clicked the post icon. So it's just today that I'm realizing, did I ever post the previous recording for what we did last week? Then I realized, no, I did not. But definitely I've already uploaded it right now. So if you go to the vault where there's live recordings, is the live recordings of the classes that we are doing with you guys. So you're able to go through and check it, okay? You just check the date that it was, then you're going to find it automatically and be able to go over it. Okay, so okay, if you can if anybody remember, what did you say we are going to talk about? Steve?
Was it support and base?
Support and resistance.
Support and resistance. Was it that one?
You're asking me. Okay.
Yeah, that's what I'm thinking.
Mr. Rain, it was a part.
Yeah. Today we had planned to just kind of brush over what we have been learning to see if I was expecting maybe all the students will be here. So I was thinking maybe we should go through everything that we have learned. Questions and answer will be taking questions, me and David. So I was expecting any of you, if you did not get anything, we were expecting just to clear the air up so that we make sure that all of you have everything intact so that when we go to the next topic, everyone will be okay with what we'll be teaching you guys. Because I basically know that it will be so much better if we help you now so that you can do the practice from the time we end the video to the whole of the next day until we meet to the next lesson, which will be easy and helpful to you guys so that you might
Okay, Steve.
able to understand what we are talking about. So unless
Okay. So definitely, I think that is the way to go. For me, I never go to the next topic until I've seen the assignment so that I know that it really did stick to what
yeah,
I was saying. Yeah. I don't know, Miss Anya, are you still getting the problem with listening to our audio? Are you still getting that issue? Confirm with me. Check if it is this one. Steve is taking a short water break, so I think he'll be coming back. Yeah, there he is. So if you can put in the chat, if you're getting me clearly, just do it. So for me, I think because Steve is the one who is here, so I'm going to do something special for him. We're going to see where he is at this point. I believe, Steven, you've already installed your TradingView.
Yes, Tonton. Yeah, I installed it.
Okay, amazing. And I believe you've been going through it. Yeah.
Yeah.
So I'm sure you have some questions. You have some things you've been facing, some difficult
Yeah.
1, 2, 3. So I want you to jump on the chat, present your chat, show us, then we can answer you directly because you're now here.
Okay.
Yeah.
Do you want me to share my screen?
Yes. Yeah, that will be
Yeah.
perfect.
Okay.
Or the
Okay.
question you have, you're not supposed to. Do you want to share with the question?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. I'd rather you see what I see, and then if you could correct
Yes.
me if I'm looking at it wrong.
Yeah,
know?
very true. So
Yeah,
just
yeah.
request there.
Okay. Oh, Tonto, I think you need a. It says disable. It says host has
Okay.
disabled.
And
Yeah.
I keep allowing this stuff, but it keeps on enable this and this. Oh, okay, for me to do it, so I'm definitely gonna do this directly. I'm just gonna put you as the host so that, but don't kick us out.
Okay.
uh oh, I just almost kicked you out. Okay, there you go.
All right. Okay. So
Awesome.
so this my TradingView. So I tried to. So here I was looking here. This is a base in this support, right? Right? And then this one becomes support and this one becomes base.
Okay, go ahead.
Okay. So I'm seeing, so when I try to mark out the support and base, right? When I try to mark it out, right? So this one is base right here, right?
What time frame are you on?
This is 15
Why?
minutes.
Why did you choose the 15 minutes?
I choose the 15 minutes because these ones, it was easy for me to read it. It was easy
Okay.
for me to read it. I felt like it was easy for me to read it. Because I feel like the chart on the 15 is kind of going in an uptrend, you know? And it was kind of
Okay.
easy for me to see the the bases in the
Okay, I just want
base.
I want to help you with one thing. I want you to put all the bases
Yeah,
in the 15 minutes. I'm going to correct you. Just I know you've gone way a little bit
yeah,
ahead before we even
yeah,
started doing the support recital, which is so good. I'm loving this. Okay.
yeah.
Yeah, but it says, so there's something I want to correct you right now. So I want you to just put all the bases that you can see right now. Let me see how you're doing it.
Okay. So
Mhm.
base. I think this one is a
Oh,
base.
Mr. Rain, you have a very quick student. Whoa, this is awesome.
This is super.
This is super. I love this.
This one is a base.
The guy is already identifying bases without us even teaching him, like live.
Yeah, just
Wow.
saw the video and does his thing.
Who has watched
Are you
who
good
has watched
too?
who has watched
Yeah.
the Daily Tips video?
For me, I watched it. I ain't gonna lie, you're a good teacher, Mr. Rain. You're a good teacher.
Thank you. Thank you so much. I see you have grasped these things so fast.
Mhm.
Yeah. Um, okay.
Okay. So just stop it there. Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's awesome. I've seen you've known what really a base is. This is super awesome. Okay.
Yeah.
Congratulations for you being able to go ahead and do that. Now, we don't encourage doing bases in the 15 minutes.
Okay.
And this is the reason why.
Yeah.
The reason why is because you're going to have 50 million bases,
Ah.
which is which is a little bit of it's a bit chaotic for you.
Yeah.
So we encourage all beginners, for people who are new, to do basis on starting from the monthly, daily,
Mm,
4 hour, and 1 hour. They should stop at the 1 hour. So what I want you to do, I want you to favorite all those time frames that I've mentioned.
Okay.
Yeah, so you are in the right spot. I want you to make them your favorite. You see that star on the right
Yeah.
side? Yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Your
4
favorite.
hour, 1 hour.
Favorite.
Which one do you say was again?
Go
1
to the
month?
daily.
Daily? Okay. Daily.
You can do the
Yeah.
weekly as well. Just favorite it.
Okay.
Favorite the monthly as well.
Okay.
Yeah, I think those time frames are the ones I really want you to focus on. You want to trade where the big money is, where a lot of traders are.
Yeah.
Okay?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm
So
gonna
should I
show
go
you.
one monthly now, or should I try one now or no?
So I want you now to go to the
Mhm.
1 hour and see something.
Okay. 1 hour.
Are you able to see how many things you've drawn in your chart?
Yeah, it's a lot.
You see it's a
Um,
lot, but on the 1 hour, it's like nothing.
yeah,
It's a lot of noise in the 1 hour. Are you able to see?
yeah.
So you see, if you had captured some in the 1 hour, probably you won't need the 15 minutes.
No, yeah. It's true.
You see that?
Yeah.
So we're going to teach you how to break it down, how you're starting to do your markup from the daily, coming down from the monthly, coming down to the daily, weekly. I think that is the next topic that Mr. Ray is going to talk about. He's
Okay.
going to be teaching you. I really appreciate that you've already gone ahead. So first of all, you need to understand candlesticks, anatomies, types of candlesticks. Those are,
Yeah.
that is not very important, but it's going to help you just to be able to do something. Have you gone through the video about the types of candlesticks, the kind of patterns. Are you able to mention one of you? Let me see.
Yeah. So
Mm-hmm.
isn't okay. So there's the base. Isn't there uh a rally base rally too?
Wow.
And
That's enough. You just mentioning that, that's enough. You're doing a great job. Wow, 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 wow. So I want you to do one thing.
also
I want you, let me help
like
you.
this one right here.
That is a rally-based rally. Very true. Very true.
Yeah.
Yeah. So I want you first to remove the volume candles down here, the ones that are popping up down. You see these things
At the
down here?
bottom. Let me see. Hold on. Oh, at the bottom you said
Yeah, these
these.
ones.
Okay. How do I remove hide?
So
Oh,
so
how do I do?
go back.
What do I do? How do I go back?
You've hide your
I.
candlesticks.
How do I do that? Hey,
So I want
hold
you to
on.
use just chill. Use this tool up here. Just click on it. It's going to bring back. It's going to undo the undo button.
Where is it?
No, no. Look at where I've drawn a line.
On my screen it doesn't show, Tonto. It doesn't show.
You don't see where I've drawn something.
No,
No,
it
it
doesn't
can't.
show me.
Okay,
Yeah.
Nelson. Just do this, Steve. Hold. Don't push anything in the screen. Stop
Okay.
moving your
Oh,
chart. Then
yeah.
I'm going to draw. Just stay still. You will actually see it when you stay still.
Okay.
Are you able to see it now?
No, it still don't show.
Okay, it has gone like
Is it this one right here? Is it this one?
exactly that one.
Okay.
Undo again.
Okay.
Okay, yeah, you've already undone it. So so anytime you
Okay.
make a mistake, always use that undo tool. Okay.
Okay. Yeah.
Okay, so I want you to come to, if you've said you cannot see my cursor, I don't know why. You
Yeah.
see this tool down here.
Is it the
This,
bottom here? Or is it this one?
no, no.
No, 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 no,
You
no. Do you
see,
see
you
where?
see these candles that are appearing in your base.
Mm-hmm. This one?
No, no, no. Come down a little bit
This one?
more. A little bit more, just in the base.
Right here?
Come down more, more. Keep going down. No, no, no. Okay. Are you able to see where the date is? Where
Oh
the date
yeah.
is?
Yeah, yeah, yeah,
Yes.
yeah.
Yeah. So
Oh
those
yeah,
kind of,
yeah, yeah.
yeah, yeah. So right click on them.
Okay.
Okay. No, no, no. You're still not getting it. You're still not seeing whatever I'm talking about. I'm going
Oh,
to,
What if
okay.
I
I
drop?
want you to use, I want you to use this tool. I think that is will even confuse you more when I try to go there to show you the other method. Let me just do
mm,
this. Uh, oh no, why can't I reclaim my host? Oh, I think I know why we cannot. It's because annotation has been turned off. So
mm-hmm.
what I'm going to do is, no, 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 don't do it.
Oh, don't
Who
do.
was
Okay.
sent the request? Mr. Rain, is you.
No.
Deny.
Deny all?
Yeah,
Okay.
don't worry. The thing is already being recorded. So if you record it twice, it will be my space. I'm just trying
Yeah.
to do this. Mhm. Okay, I think I've been able to reclaim it back. Okay. If I draw now, are you able to see it?
Yes.
Steve?
Uh, let me see. No, I don't see it. Don't.
You don't see anything drawn like I've tried to mess your thing, your screen. Are you able to see it?
I only see when I go on Zoom. When I go on Trading View, it
Okay.
doesn't.
Okay. So I'm going to do this. It's okay. I'm going to use a different method. I'm going to use this one. So I'm just going to come into your computer. You have to allow me so
Okay.
that you can see. Man. This is funny because Zoom just disallowed that tool of trying to like on getting control of your screen. I don't know what Zoom is trying to do. Zoom has denied that kind of an access. Nelson,
Yes.
are you able to request remote control on your end to whatever is sharing?
Let me see. Where is it? Could you now remind me where that tool is?
You just go to Steve's screen up there to those three dots, click on it.
These three dots.
Yes. Are you able to
Annotate.
see? You're only able to see annotate.
Uh,
You're not able to see like request control.
no.
Steve, are you able to see what Nelson is doing on your screen?
No. When I go on Zoom, I can see now. But when I go back, you see when I go back, it doesn't show.
Okay. I think you're using which type of a computer?
It's MacBook.
Oh no, yeah. Now I know why.
Yeah.
Now I know why. It's the security feature in Mac that's why it's doing that. So unless you just shared only the trading view part, it will be easier. But because you shared, I think the whole screen, that's why. But it's okay.
Okay.
But have you seen where Nelson now has annotated? I want you to right click on those volume candles that are appearing below. Keep going down there. Right click there, exactly there. Right click, then hide.
Okay.
You can remove or hide. Just remove.
Remove.
Yeah, remove.
Okay.
Yeah, good. So that's what I wanted you to do.
Okay.
Yeah, I think Nelson, now you can remove your annotation.
Yep.
Now recenter it. Recenter your chart. So what were we on? We were talking about what? So
Basis rally base rallies.
yeah. So before we go to rally-based rally, I think you need to first understand, we need to go with you. I know you've gone a little bit advanced. I need to take you through a little bit of the candlestick anatomy, which we did slightly. So we're gonna tell you about certain patterns, okay? And
Yeah.
how we actually form those bases, okay?
Okay.
So that you can
Yeah.
be able to now be able to identify between a resistant and a support.
Okay.
After you've mastered that as a resistant and a support, then is when you're going to now start doing the full markup with you. Start doing a full markup of only support and resistant. And I think before you even go to so many stories, I think Nelson, you should just proceed with that. The rest of the individual, maybe you're going to rewatch the call or doing something, because if somebody is already ahead, that's super awesome. So Steve, I really love whatever you're doing. This is
Yeah.
super
Thank
awesome. Yeah.
Yeah,
I
thank
can,
you.
I can actually see you maneuvering through TradingView like somebody who has been using TradingView for the last 2 months.
Thank you. I know I'm learning fast. I'm learning fast.
This is
Hopefully,
super awesome. Yeah. Mhm.
yeah, hopefully I master it soon, you know. And I'm just
Amazing.
ready to learn everything.
Amazing, amazing. So I want you to click Nelson, you're good. You can go ahead with showing him a little bit about the candlesticks patterns, blah blah blah. Are you good? Do
Me?
it now.
Okay. Okay. I do start now. So, so you're the one sharing, right?
Yeah. So Steve, you can stop sharing.
Okay.
You can pop out. Wow, 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 wow. Absolutely love whatever you've done. Like, ooh.
That is
Thank you. Thank you.
recording
Yeah.
disabled.
I don't think you let me stop.
Doesn't allow you to stop. Let me just stop it on my end. There.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah. Just a minute, I pull up my stuff.
It's okay. Mom, Steven is doing super awesome.
Steven
Whoa,
is
you're the first student I've seen going way ahead. Like, this is awesome. This is awesome. Awesome, 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 awesome. I thought
Thank
Anne
you.
was the fastest. You are the fastest. Yeah, so
I
make sure you go watch Donny Pip's video.
okay.
I think I've attached is gonna show you a little bit. Let me show you just where it is as Nelson is preparing to pull up
Okay.
his stuff. Let me share the whole screen as well. You guys can see my screen.
Yeah.
What did I want to pull up? Don't worry, apps. You see, oh, gone. You see these beginner basics, huh? If you click on beginner basics, you open it. Are you able to see down here, beginner basics, price action, chart patterns, then there's Donny Pip's lessons. Are you able to see this one? Then you come to the first one. I've attached a link here. It's going to take you to Rumble. It's kind of a private lesson that I've uploaded there. Then I want you to go through all these. I want you to go through this video.
Okay.
So Nelson is Nelson is going to show you something, but this is going to be a little bit okay. It's going to take you a little bit advanced. Okay.
Going the right way.
This is now my main point.
To remind myself, one, Mount Trashmore, no joke. I have a house in Virginia Beach, right around the corner from that park. That we used to run that for PT in the morning, when I was stationed in Virginia.
Okay.
Yes.
Yeah, so that is going to a little bit guide you way ahead. And so we'll be jumping with you, brushing things over, seeing how you're doing. But definitely I want Nelson to guide you through the first, the candlestick anatomy, blah, blah, blah. Because I'm seeing you are a first student, that's why I'm recommending you to that, okay?
Yes.
Amazing. Okay, Nelson, you're set? Oh, did I stop sharing my screen? I'm still sharing.
Set. I hope you went through also through that PDF also. So because I will be just trying to help you understand it better. and explain it and show you in the chat. Where are we now? So I hope you guys can see my screen.
Yeah, perfect.
Sure. Should I put the white background? What background do you guys like?
Ooh. I love black for me. I don't know
Black.
about
Black.
yeah, and
So
then if you please increase your size a little bit. Yeah, your things are too tiny. I don't know if it's me.
are you for real? This thing is too big, even it's not fitting my screen. Let me
Steven, is it? Is yeah, Steven is coming closer to the computer, meaning your things are too tiny. The numbers are
That's
not
okay. Yeah.
like the letters, the numbers are not clear.
really.
Not really.
You even now you can't see.
Yeah, they're a bit big. Yeah, a bit.
They are not big. I have zoomed my screen to almost 150.
It's okay, it's okay, it's okay. You can see it now. Just
I
playing
think,
with you.
or I can just go to my settings and
Ooh,
yeah.
this guy is OCD, man.
Eh, don't know why is it that. Let me see that font size.
How do you read those stuffs?
I should make this thing to be 125. How about that?
Actually, yeah, whatever you should just increase is your text size. You see up there,
Where?
you see A to A. No,
Uh-huh.
no, just where you are. Yeah, there.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, just
Like
there.
that.
Yeah, just only there, I think.
So this one should remain there.
Oh no. Oh no. You just do your thing, man.
Okay, let oh, where am I here? Why am I here? So how about here? Or maybe the zoom is
It's okay. Mhm.
so you can see it.
Yeah.
So the last time we were talking about these single pattern candles, we are just talking about the green, which was the bullish candle, and the red, which was a bearish candle, the opposite of the other candle. And we saw the similarities. We saw both candles has wicks, both candles has open and close, and both candles have the body. The difference is the other candle goes up and the other candles go down, as you can see here in the picture that we had previously drawn. And of course, the open and the close of both candle is a little bit different. Okay. So the red candle opens from above and closes below. And then the green candle opens from below and closed above, meaning it was going up and the other one was going down. So right now, what I'm going to teach you is now the other single pattern candle like these ones. You'll also you will be always expecting the two colors, the green and red. There's no any other colors unless you customize them. But in default mode, they are always green and red. So let's see other candles, as I said. So other candles are like the doji, the pin bar. Let me just open my PDF right here and I teach you about the doji. Let's start. So we have three different types of candles. We have the single pattern candles, we have the intermediate, and then the advanced pattern. The advanced pattern, these are candles which are more than three, forming a pattern. Intermediate ones, they are always two candles formed. They're always formed with two candles. So let's start with these single pattern candles. We have something called a bullish pin bar. Now, somebody can ask you, what does a bullish pin bar? We have two, bearish and bullish. A bullish pin bar always signifies it might be a strong reversal candle, and it might be also signifying you that we are having the upward pressure, or we are having that reversal to the upside. Okay, and if you can see this candle here, you can see its characteristic. It has a small body, a little wick to the top. That is a bullish pin bar. And then the long wick from below. Okay. So let's go to the bearish pin bar. The bearish pin bar is the opposite of the bullish pin bar. So let's go to the chart and see if we can. Let me just allow me to hide some of the stuff here. Where's my things? This thing now has become big. I can't see. I hope you guys can see. David?
Yes, can see them.
Please talk so that I don't feel like I'm talking to myself. Okay, let me hide some of these stuffs. No. How can I delete that? Okay. I will allow me to remove all these drawings. Just like that. And I will. So let's try to look to some of the types of bullish pin bar. A bullish pin bar, we had said it has a small body, no or little wick above it, and also a long wick to the bottom. Here is it. Here it is. This is a bullish pin bar. Okay? It shows us that we have the upward pressure. So what this candle means is that sellers were in control right here. This candle opened here. So sellers were in control. They pushed price up to these areas. And then the buyers said, no, we have more money and we want to push that price upward more further. So that's why you see this wick is kind of a shadow of this pin bar. It means that let's just take this as a footstep. You walking and then you leave your footstep behind. You walking to a certain wall. Let's say it is an electric wall. Then you get shocked and then you been pushed away. So it leaves that footsteps behind you. So take this wick as a footstep of this candle. So they came up to this level here. Then buyers came in and pushed price to the upward side. And of course, when we go to the advanced level, you will understand that these candles just doesn't happen with just by coincidence. You can see it is happening on a certain level, which is here. Don't worry about this. We will learn about this later. This is called a drop-based drop. I know you've heard about it. Yeah, they happen at a certain level. And as you see this area here, I don't know if I'm confusing you. Let me not go there. So let's look at another candle. So that is a bullish pin bar. Let's look at an example of a bearish pin bar. So a bearish pin bar is the opposite of the bullish pin bar. So you can see a bearish pin bar, it is always red in color. And it shows that there is a lot of selling pressure. As you can see here, buyers were in control. This candle opened here. Sellers tried to push it down, but buyers came in and pushed price further up. But sellers said, no, we have no money. Let's push this price further down. That's why you see it they kind of push this price up to this level here down, and then the sellers took control. As I can see, sellers took control of that market up to this level, and you can see if you were in that trade, you could have had a lot of money here. So let's see what is this.
Not sure. Steven, you there?
Yeah.
I'm not sure if you can really get what it's saying there.
Yeah, I'm following
Uh-huh.
the bullish one is the red one, and the
Okay,
bearish
okay. Mhm.
Orange, how do you pronounce the green one?
Yeah, okay. Let me start again. Sorry. We said we are now talking about other types of single pattern candle. So it is just one candle. Okay. One is bullish pin bar. Okay. So a bullish or bearish pin bar, it is characterized of a small body candle. Let me just draw them for you here. It's like this. Let us talk about this.
Quick question. The green one is the bullish pin bar, right? And the red one is the bearish pin bar?
Yes, as we
Okay.
talked about, that's why I said you need to master those two candles we talked about. Okay, we have a bullish candle and a bearish candle. Okay, let me just bring my chart back. So let me not go there first. I want you to understand a certain concept because this is the base of everything. Okay, let me delete that. Yeah, so let's come back to here. So let's say we are at this area, this level here. So we have two types of candle. We have a green candle, which represent buyers. You can say it is a bullish candle, okay? Steven,
Yeah.
I'm talking to you.
Yeah. Yes.
And we have a red candle, which we say it is bearish. Bearish means it is going down. The way bears attack, okay? Do you see the way the bears attack?
Yeah.
Yeah, they attack from above, pushing the prey down. And then bullish, it is derived from the word bulls. You see, the bulls always start by attacking from downwards, and then they throw you up in the air. Okay?
Yes.
Yeah. So that is the word bullish, it is derived from bulls. And then bearish, it is derived from the word bears, the way they attack. So meaning that bearish, when you hear about something bearish, know that we are going down. When you hear something about bullish, know that we are going up. Okay? And you can see both candles have bodies. And you can see both candles have wicks. Okay? And they all have, this is the open of this candle and this is the close of this candle. This is the open of this candle down here. This is the close of the bullish candlesticks. Okay?
Yeah.
Have you understood up to that point? Let me just draw them here so that you might understand it better. Let me help you with this. Let me take you very, very slow. Let me hide that chart. So this is the bullish candle. Allow me to do that. Yeah. Then this is the bearish. I want you to understand this part because once you understand this part, everything else will be easy for you to understand. So this is one here, it is bullish, okay? The other one here, it is bearish, meaning it is going down. So let me add wicks on these candles of mine. Start from here. Oh no, this thing doesn't want to come in the middle. Okay. Okay. Next time I'll try to be a good artist. Don't worry about how big my candles are. Do that. Okay. So these are two types of candles, as you can see. One is a bullish candlestick, and the other one is a bearish candlestick, as I had shown you earlier in that picture. Right now, you understand up to this point, okay?
Yeah.
So now we are talking about a bullish pin bar, okay? So let's assume this candle is not here. Let's assume this candle is not here. Which one is that? Let's assume this candle is not there. Let's assume that candle is not there. So let's now remain with this candle here. So this is a, let me make sure that you can see my screen properly. So I hope you can see my screen properly. So this is a bullish candlestick, okay? So now a bearish candlestick, it is derived from wait just a minute. Is my thing misbehaving? Let me just clone this. Cloning it, and then I put it here. I think I'll just, okay. So let me show you how this bullish, let's say this is my wick. Okay. Let me say like how I want to show you how the a bullish candlestick is formed. Okay. I want to show you how is the formation of a bullish candlesticks formed. Okay. So let's say a bullish candlestick, let's say this candle opened from this point, okay? Price was going up and this candle opened here. So what happens is sellers will push the price down, okay? Up to this level, okay? Now, buyers now will come in and start pushing the price upwards, okay? Starting to push the price upwards until they reach a level, and that candle closes to be a bullish, to be a green candle, okay? And that's when it is derived to be a bullish candlestick. Let me just change the color here. I don't know if you are getting. I don't know if you are getting.
Yes, I'm getting it.
You are getting, okay?
Yeah, I'm understand. I understand.
You understand why we call this a bullish pin bar?
Yeah.
Yes. For this wick to be formed, it means that this candle was a bearish candle before buyers came in and started pushing this price upward, so that you see this wick, the whole of this wick. David, were you saying something?
Yeah, it's okay. You can just go ahead. I think you've gotten it because the opening and the closing of that pin bar is kind of a little bit tricky if you're explaining a bullish pin bar. So
Yeah. I understand. Yes. It is
yeah.
it is a bit I can still go back if you're
Yeah,
not getting.
no, it's okay. It's okay. You can actually continue. For me, I just focus in what is a pin bar. Like that is okay.
Mhm.
Yeah, so
Yes.
that is a good indication of a pin bar.
Yes, so that is how you find a bullish pin bar.
Yeah.
And sometimes it might be a bullish pin bar, but sometimes the color is red. That one now, it will be in advance. It is an advanced course. When we keep on doing this over and over again, we'll see some. It might be in an uptrend and you see a bullish pin bar, but it is in red color. So don't worry about that one now. But right now, what I want you to understand is that a green bullish pin bar, okay? As you can see, this meant that sellers were in control up to this point, and then buyers came in, and of course they pushed the price up to this area. That's why you might see this candle like sometimes closing like this. This one is also still some type of bullish pin bar, but we have also other names, okay? So let's talk about a bearish pin bar. So a bearish pin bar, let me just hold. me delete this thing. Let's talk about a bearish pin bar. So basically, this is the original bearish candlestick. This is the basic bearish candlestick. Let's see how the bearish pin bar it is formed. The bearish pin bar is the opposite of the bullish pin bar. Okay. So let's say at this point, buyers were in control. They pushed price. This candle opened from here. It was a buy candle, and it came up to this level up here. Is the week up here, and then sellers came in from this point and started pushing price downwards until this area, and then the candle closed as a red candle. Okay, that is what we call a bearish pin bar. Okay, that is how a bearish pin bar is formed. You now get the concept. In the bullish pin bar,
Yes.
this is how it is formed. If I do that, then I do that, and then I do that, then I come to the wick. You see, this thing is derived from the normal candles. Do you see we have just turned the normal candlestick pattern into a bullish and a bearish
Yeah.
candlestick? Okay.
Yeah.
This was originally a bullish candlestick, and this was originally
Bearish.
a bullish candlestick, and this was originally a bearish candlestick. Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, so that is how we have those candlesticks. So I don't know if you have gotten up to that point, because I would not want to take you much further if you are not getting the concept. Okay. Are you seeing how we are going from one area to another using the same
Yeah.
concept that we studied earlier?
Yeah.
Yeah, so let's go in the chart and see if we can find some 2-3 examples of what we are talking about. So let's go in the chart. Yeah, let me open my chart here. So let's see what we can see. So right now we're on the, I think, 1 hour. Yes, this is the 1 hour. We want to identify, let's start with bullish pin bars. So for example, if we want to identify,
So this is the part I'll not let you do it and let Steve find them. So
okay,
Steve, do you know how to annotate?
No, I think from the screen share.
Yeah, you see, if you're seeing Nelson's screen, you are able to see something like a pen down there. There's something like a pen. It's saying annotate. If you click on it, it brings the thing to annotate on. Okay. Are you able to see where where Mr. Rain's screen is popping up there on top of the Zoom? If you click the 3 dots, what are you seeing?
It says add pin, chat, or
Okay.
report.
You're not able to see annotate?
No.
Okay. I think your annotation icon is somewhere else. Let me just send you a picture for you to be able to see it. Okay. So because if you are able to annotate, then it will be simple for Mr. Rain to be able to know. Yeah.
I see it now.
Okay, awesome.
This one's bearish. Right here. This one. Is that bearish bar pin? You said bar pin? Or is this bullish? This one's bullish, right?
Yeah, just identify them all, and then it's going to
Okay.
identify the bearish pin bars.
Okay, bear.
Mhm.
Bearish pin bar.
Mhm.
Maybe this one.
Mhm.
Okay, that's about it.
Okay. Nelson, take over.
Yeah. Very, very nice. Yeah, I think you've missed some of the points. I was expecting you could see this one here, this one, these two. Oh,
Oh,
color is around this area here and
yeah.
here. Yes. So even this one. So they might not look as clean as you see them on paper.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, sometimes I don't know if you can delete. What do I need to delete they are not how do we now delete those
Yeah.
things? Yeah, I think we are deleted. Clear all drawings, nice. So yeah, so this is one of the ones you have selected. They are one of the examples I wanted to see, which are nice. So I think now I will not go much into that. I will leave you to do the exercise for that. I will take you to my next, the other next, what do we call it? The next kind of pattern.
Press escape. I know what you're looking
Yes.
for.
Yeah. Yeah, okay.
Yeah, press escape. Mhm.
Yeah, I did press that.
Just
Oh,
long
nice.
press it. Yeah.
Cool.
Yeah. Mm.
Nice. So those are the bearish and the bullish pin bars. Let's go to the next candlestick, which is the hammer candle. What is a hammer candle? It is a specific type of a bullish reversal candlestick. Okay. So the characteristics of a hammer candlestick, they kind of look the same as the pin bars, but they are very specific, and most of the time when you see them, either on an uptrend or a downtrend, they signify the end of that trend. Okay. They have the small bodies such as the pin bars. They have the long wicks, and they have the little or no wick on top of their bodies. And of course, they appear after a downtrend. Okay. So what does this thing mean? So it means that sellers were in control, and then the buyers came in and started pushing the price up, signifying that we are at the end of that trend. Okay. So let's see if we can see any other type of, where did I go? Let's see if we can see any other type of, can you be able to show me any other types of a pin bar here? Can you be able to show me any type of a pin bar here? They might not look exactly as they are on the paper.
Okay.
Steven?
Yeah.
Mhm. Uh-huh.
A pin bar. This one.
Which one?
Uh,
No. I'm saying. Continue.
Okay. Is this one pin bar too?
Yes.
This one too. Mm, this
Oops.
one. No, it's okay. I think this one and this one.
Mhm,
This one.
mhm. Yeah.
Mhm.
So I wanted you to note something.
Yeah.
From the description, they said it's a special type of candlestick which appears at the end of a downtrend, okay, or an uptrend sometimes. So that's why I wanted you to specifically check. Oh, I know you have not learned about highs and the lows. That's why. But for now, the examples are good. I would want you now to do the more exercise of focusing on how to identify them. Also, these ones are good. This one here, yes, these are good here. Yeah, I want you to do the most of the exercise
Okay.
on finding them on your chart, okay?
Okay.
Yeah, so I'll just move to the next candlestick. Did I just stop sharing?
Yeah.
I did. Okay, let me go back. I don't know why my computer is a bit misbehaving. I think the buttons are bigger than expected. So let's go to the next candlestick. Those are what? This is a hammer type of a candlestick. Let's go to the next candlestick is a doji. We have different type of doji. Doji candlesticks when you see doji candlesticks on your chart, that means that it is indecision. It is 50-50. The sellers and the buyers they have the same, they are equal, okay? And what are the characteristics of a doji? A doji has a little or no body. It's just like a cross, okay? Some have equal wicks. It indicates a pause in the it indicates a pause in the move. Buyers and sellers are equal in strength, okay? So let's look at some type of a doji. A doji is something like this. A doji is something small like a cross. Let me show you one example, then you can be able to help me find some of the other examples. I might not think my chart is a little bit big. I hope you guys can see my chart. Yes?
Yes.
Yeah, a doji is something like this. As you can see, this one is a doji. It has a small wick or equal this one here. You see how the market is doing? You can see we have some type of, the market is not moving up and it's not moving down. Most of the time, dojis are formed in such condition of the market. It is something like a cross. Do you see? And we also
Yes, I
have,
see.
yes, and we also have other types of dojis. Most people call it the hanging man, but we just I kind of look them, they look some similar like a pin bar, okay? Or the hammer. So you see, this is a doji. Let's look for another dojis. Another doji, another doji. I would like to go to a lower time frame so that we can see a lot of them. Can you be able to help me find a doji in this area?
Yeah.
Which one?
This one.
Mhm, mhm,
This one.
mhm,
This one.
mhm.
This one.
Yeah, sure. So those are some of the example of a doji. And of course, I would like you also to go and check more on the dojis, okay? So another Another pattern of candles that I want us to go through, they are called intermediate candles, and they consist of two candles, two or more candles, okay? So I want us to talk about bullish. We have bullish and bearish engulfing candle, okay? So what does this mean? It is like you being in charge, okay? At home.
Yeah.
You are alone being in charge, and then your parents come in. So now when your parents comes in, who will be in charge?
Me. Oh, them, they're in charge.
Yes. They will be in charge because they just took control from you. That is an example of an engulfing candle. So we can
Yeah.
see here, for example, here we have a very, very nice example of a bullish engulfing candle. So the sellers, it is mostly, it is characterized with a red and then a green candle, which covers the red candle, okay? So it is called a bullish engulfing candle. Why? Why is it called a bullish engulfing candle? Because the pressure was moving to the upside, okay? The buying pressure, okay? As you can see
Yeah.
here, at the start, the sellers were in control, and then the buyers came and took over. They engulfed the sellers, okay? Are you getting me,
Yes.
Steve?
Yeah.
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 So that's why we call it the bullish engulfing candle. And of course, the next candle of it is a bearish engulfing candle. Okay,
Mhm. Yeah.
a
Yeah.
bearish engulfing candle is the opposite of the bullish engulfing candle. First, it consists of a green candle, then followed by a big fat red candle, which engulfs the green candle. Okay, so let's see if we can see an example of a bearish engulfing candle. Bearish engulfing candles. Most of those candles, you'll find them in a downtrend. We just marked on my chart.
I saw it up there.
Oh, you saw it up here.
Yeah, just
Let me
where
see.
you are, past. Yeah,
Oh,
there.
here.
No, up.
Yes, here.
Yes.
Very nice. Yeah. So as you can see here, buyers tried to take control of the market, but sellers came in and engulfed this candle, covered this green candle. Okay, that is the opposite of this. So this is a bullish engulfing candle, and this is a bearish engulfing candle. Means that there was a lot of selling pressure. As you can see, when the buyers were engulfed by the sellers, then the market dropped. Okay. Okay. I
Yeah.
hope I'm
So
not confusing you, Mr. Steve.
no, sir. So when the buyers, so when the engulfing candle from the
Mhm.
bearish engulfing, it means that the is gonna sell. The price is gonna drop in the
Mhm.
chart. That's what it
Most
means, right?
probably.
Most
Yeah. So
probably.
is it
Not
good?
always. Mhm.
Yeah. Is it good to take trades when you see a bullish or a bearish engulfing candle? Is that a good time to take a trade?
We're going to go through that, all the schematics on what determines a good entry and a bad entry. Right now, we're just giving you some basics. Then
Yeah,
we're
yeah,
going
yeah.
to combine all these things for you to be
Okay.
able to now take trades. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. So those are the two candles that I will want you to master. So we have a lot of candles, but we are teaching you a few of them. These are the candles that we selected because everyone can see them over and over again most of the time. Okay. So
Yeah.
let's go to the advanced pattern candle. This consists of 3 or more candles. Okay.
Okay.
So the first one is the morning star. The morning star. We have the morning and the evening star. So the morning star is the opposite of the evening star, or the evening star is the opposite of the morning star. So I want us to look at this morning star. This is how it looks like. A morning star, most of the time it appears on a downtrend. You can see price was going down, and again, it started to go where? Up. So I want you to see the magic as we are going further and further deep down into this topic. You see, this thing, it is repeating itself. First of all, it was just the buy candle and the sell candle, the bearish and the bullish candlestick. Now you can see we are combining both of them. And you can see what you have learned here about the engulfing candle. It is here. Now they have been combined into one, forming one type of candle named what? The morning star. So here you have to be careful. That's why we are saying if you don't master what we taught you earlier, then it will be hard for you to master what we are teaching you now. Okay?
Yeah.
I believe David can second that.
Absolutely. Yeah.
Yeah, so let's see what does the morning star contain. So the morning star has a red candle, first of all, which is with a big body enough. Then we followed by a small candle, which it might be a doji, it might be a red or green candle. And again, the third candle is the green candle, which now engulf both patterns, okay?
Yeah.
Yes, meaning that we are having the upward pressure, okay? It just engulf, and if it engulfs the two of them, then that is a nice morning star, okay?
Yeah.
Yeah, so the next candle is the evening star. The evening star is the opposite of the morning star. Now the evening star, it is found at the where? At the uptrend, okay? So it is formed when price is going up, and then we have that indecision in the market where we might have a doji, which the color might be red or green. Then that doji or that candle that has been formed there get engulfed by a red candle to the downward, meaning that now the trend has done what? The trend has changed, okay? It is
Yeah.
the same, okay? So let's go to the charts and see if we can have that one.
Okay.
Yes. So let's say this, where is a good example? For example, here, do you see price was going down, okay?
Yeah.
Yes, exactly. So this is what? This is a
Evening
morning
star.
star.
Oh, morning star.
Yes.
Okay.
Evening
Yeah,
star,
yeah.
evening is going down, okay? Evening star is
Okay.
going, just think of
Yeah,
it
yeah,
like morning is the sun rising up. So morning star is going up.
yeah.
Then evening star is going where?
Down.
It's going down. As you can
Go
see,
to the 5
price was
minutes.
going. Yes.
Go to the 5 minutes. I
Okay.
think that's where you're going to see them most of the time. 5 or 2
Yeah,
or 1
yeah.
minute. Yeah.
And I came to realize these candles depends with the time frame you are trading. We'll see them in accordance to the time frame you are trading. So here you can see it here. Price was going down. Then we have that kind of an indecision candle here. And again, this other candle came and engulfed both of them, giving us a very, very nice indication that price has changed direction. This is what, Steven? What type of candle is this?
That's morning.
Yes,
Morning.
very correct.
Morning star. Yeah, yeah.
So that is a morning star. Let me show you one example of an evening star. An
Okay.
evening star, you can see it here. So you can see price was going upwards. So we had a very nice buying pressure, and then they came and formed a doji. I told you it might be either red or green candle. And then the doji got engulfed by this red candle, forming an evening star. Okay.
Yeah.
Wow. I'm looking like we formed 2 morning stars, 1 evening star, again a morning star, and then we dropped.
Yes, exactly. So here, here, and here.
Yeah.
So I think on the 5 minutes is when you can see them a lot of the time. So this morning star and evening star, they might be so nice for the scalpers. Or David, what do you use?
I'll show you guys what I use.
Okay. Let's go to the next thing. Next, I think this one, time frames, we talked about them, and then the yeah, I think I will just stick to the candle patterns, and then the rest we'll talk about them when we continue with the lesson. So Stephen, I'm giving you an opportunity now to ask me and David some question about what
Okay.
we have talked about. Yes.
I think
Mhm.
I'm following good. I think you're teaching good, so I don't have too many questions. Only question I maybe have is should you mark out the morning star, or you just want to be able to see it? You just want to be able to know, or should you mark it when you see it?
Okay.
Or is it?
Should I take the question?
Yes, no problem. Take it, bro.
Super. So this is what I want you to know. Literally,
Yeah.
you're still in the basic part of trading. We are trying to feed you all the basics that are necessary, okay?
Yeah.
For you to be able to, you now combine all this knowledge, and now we'll tell you when to take a trade, when not to take a trade. Remember, trading, there's a lot of information, okay?
Yeah.
There's normally a lot of information. There are things many people look at. Some people look at, you've seen support, you've seen the type of candlesticks, supply, demand areas, blah, blah, blah. So many informations, okay?
Yeah.
Now we are going to, we are actually, as you go further ahead, you'll actually see all this knowledge combining to be one, so that we are just trying to give you the basics, like the footprint of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then we can come up with a very nice strategy with you. You'll be able to come up with a strategy of your own and be able to take trades. Why do I like to first teaching people about the anatomy of a candlestick, so that when you go outside there, when you start seeing many other people doing certain things, you'll be like, you'll not find that knowledge as being alien, okay?
Yeah.
And that is what I find with a lot of new traders is, today I'm teaching them something here. Tomorrow they go listen to somebody talking of no, blah, 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 blah. Such big words. Let me tell you, people will put big words into trading for you to pay a lot of money to them. Okay?
Yeah. Yeah.
Thinking that they're having knowledge that is way much advanced. But it's basically the basic stuff that that we know about.
Yeah.
It's just the language. That's why first we teach you the language. So if you go somewhere, you hear people talking of morning stars, even let me tell you, all those are just names.
Yeah.
Okay?
Yeah.
They're just names. They're just big names. You see, you've actually heard of Nelson talking of a bearish pin bar, blah 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 pin bar, blah 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 pin bar. Okay, a pin bar is a pin bar. You just need to know, what am I trading in a pin bar? If I see a pin
Yeah.
bar, what might appear? Okay.
Yeah.
So this knowledge is good for you to be able to have it, okay,
Yeah.
on the basics, but it's not something you want to go really deep into it, unless you want to trade candlestick types, okay?
Yeah.
Okay, so we are going to give you the basics of all these, and you're going to see the measurement. I know if mom is somewhere there sitting, is like, am I really going to grab all these things? Mom, you don't need to grab all the pin bars. You don't need to know all the pin bars, all the dojis. You don't need to know all that.
Yeah.
Okay? But it's good knowledge for you just being able to know the basics. And that's why we're giving you the basics. There are more than 100 plus types of candlesticks. If I can share with you a candlestick chit chat, it's a chart full of types of candlesticks. Okay? There are so
Yeah.
many. There are so many. But we teach dojis, pin bar, morning stars, evening stars. Those are the most basic ones. And you can actually see them. They have been kind of repeating themselves. You've actually seen there's no big difference between a hammer and a pin bar. There's no a very big difference between a doji and what? And a
A
pin bar.
doji in a pin bar.
Yeah, you can actually see the differences is very tiny. Okay.
Yeah, it's one is just in the middle and one is at the top or bottom. Yeah.
Absolutely amazing. So, but you can see if somebody else was looking it in a different angle, is just looking it at it's just a candlestick that it's appearing somewhere. It's, you see.
Yeah.
So it's basic
Yeah.
knowledge that you just need to be aware of. You need to know, which is going to help you in the near future as you're going now to break down between support and resistance, supply and demand. Where do we see such? If we see such things appearing, then you're going to combine. Oh, so I'm in a support area. I've actually seen a morning star pattern appearing. What do I
Yeah.
do at support?
If
That is a
morning
bigger
star
confusion.
you buy.
Absolutely.
Okay, yeah.
You see, so that's how we combine this knowledge to be able to outsmart,
Yeah.
like, because there's somebody, actually, you can actually get those type of candlestick, then they kind of confuse you. Let's say you
Yeah.
are in the 1 hour, you've seen a morning star, but in the 1 hour, it looks like it is an evening star appearing. So what will you do? Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, so that's why we just teach you about all this so that it's going to help you once we've combined 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, then you'll be able to take trades without fear, without hesitating. Okay.
Okay.
So it's good basic knowledge that you need to know about. Okay.
Yeah.
But when you go in, I normally tell a lot of people stop. Like if you start subscribing, if you start doing certain things, stop subscribing to so many other things because you're going to get a lot of information which is going to be noise, which I strongly advise that, and that's what is making people to be in the state of analysis paralysis because you know too much to a point you're not even able to execute anything.
Yeah.
Yeah, so. And that's why I kind of teach people the basics, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, so that if you jump in any other person and you start hearing them talking of this, you just look at it and you're saying, this guy is talking of all this is just a demand area. He's talking of all this is just a morning star, this is just a pin bar, this is just, you see, and everything is going to be super simple. So I think this was a very nice lesson. I love the speed that you're going with. I absolutely love the speed to see how I'm going to be touching more bases with you so that we can really get you ahead. I think you're the person in 2 weeks, 3 weeks will be done.
Yeah.
If
I'm ready. I'm ready, Tonto. I'm ready.
Yeah. So I really appreciate the speed. Submitting the work that you're doing, that will be super awesome. For you asking any questions in the chat if you're having any problems. Nelson, are you able to show him a quick one, how to just navigate through posting the thing on the hub so that then...
Yes. I will be pleased to show
then
you
we can call it a day. Probably we will touch base tomorrow. Tomorrow is Sunday. We are doing an overall market scan like what we did last Sunday.
Okay.
Yeah. I think, Stephen, let me I want us to be serious with you. Then I think if things go well, you start pushing the button by the end of next month.
Okay.
Yeah. If possible,
so
even yeah.
I want to give you a little of an assignment of what we have been doing. So I don't know if you have a pen and a paper.
Yeah.
Yes, I want you to write on the 5 minute.
Okay.
5 minutes. I will want you to now identify the morning stars and the evening stars. Okay.
Okay.
On the 30 minutes.
Can you show an example on how he's going to do it?
Okay, no. Nice. So what I will want you to do is, let's say this is a morning star. I want you to use, on your trading view, I want you to use this tool. You see this tool right here, the one that when I hover over, it says rectangle tool.
Yeah.
You click on it, then you
Okay.
come here, you draw that 3. Let me reduce this. Let me just do that. You can use this either purple or Benny. Want you just to come in like that. Draw that box of yours like that. Then you can double click in it and put text, or you can just click on this text T where you see this T. Just click on text. Then you just come and click down here. Then you write that is a what? Morning star.
Okay.
Okay. So to
Yeah.
customize this, you can see the way mine is. If you want to customize this to be visible, you just come here, you double click on it, and then this window will pop up. Then you reduce the font, then the color like that, and it will able to show. Then you can just move it closer to it or inside like that.
How do I get this to come appear here?
Yeah.
I don't
Share your chart. Share your chart right now.
Okay.
Just share your screen. Let's show you.
Okay.
Go to screen sharing. Yeah, I can see it now. Super. I've seen you've already done something, and I'm like, what? This is what I was just amazed with. I've seen you've already saved some item there. Okay, go to the. Are you able to see the tool section?
Yeah, tools.
So go to that text icon. There's an arrow. Click on it. Then are you able to see? Let's see. So make your favorite the text icon. The text icon, make it your favorite.
Oh,
okay. Just click on the favorite. Yeah, they are good. Then let's go to the next, to the one on top. Yeah, that one. Click on it.
This one?
Yeah. So are you able to see the rectangle?
Okay.
Make it your favorite. Awesome. So go to the next top. I'm gonna show you all the things that you'll need. Go to the trend line. No, the one on top, the one on top. The line. So trend line, make it your favorite. Vertical line, make it your favorite.
Okay.
Horizontal line, make it your favorite.
Horizontal line.
Okay.
Horizontal ray, make it your favorite.
Okay.
What else? I think that is okay. So go to the next one. Those are the most necessary tools you're going to need. And then go to that. So for that, in the meantime, just leave it the way it is. We're going to go through that next time when the moment I start introducing to you about the fib.
Okay.
What else? What else are we missing? I think so far you have all the basic tools that you need.
Should I get rid of any of these ones? Should I take out some of these ones, Tonton, or no?
Get rid of. I see you tried copying some of the things that I had. So the fib channel, get rid of it right now.
This one?
Yeah.
Isn't that
this one right here?
Yeah, just get rid of all those right now. But you're going to use it. Yeah, I'm going to show you how to do it the next time. Okay. Yeah, I believe right now those are the most important. Yeah, the short and the long, leave them. That's okay. They're okay. Yeah.
Ghost speed.
Price range, it's okay. Date and position range, it's okay. Yeah, that's okay.
Ghost speed, okay.
remove
Ghost
that.
feed. Actually, I don't know if you know how actually to use the ghost. Nelson, I'm gonna show you how to use the ghost feed. I'm seeing you are having a very drawing the candlestick. The ghost feed is so nice. You just click on the ghost feed and then you copy the type of candlestick that you want to do it, and you're doing it, and you do it over the chart.
Oh, nice.
Yeah. Yeah. In the meantime, yeah, you can just let it be there. It's okay.
Okay.
Mhm.
Yeah. So how to hover around it? Do you know how to move that thing?
Yeah, this one.
Yeah.
No.
This
The one,
chart.
yeah,
Rectangle.
yes, yeah, that way. So you can place it whenever where you feel comfortable. For me, I like it down here because I can access it very quick.
This one down here.
A
Like
little bit on
this.
the left, a little bit on the left. Yeah, I love it that so that it doesn't block some of the things that I'm seeing, and it's like a place I can access it easier. That is for me. I see some
Yeah.
people like Person, he likes it up there. Someone
Yeah.
else love it in the left. So it's up to you. Okay.
Yeah.
For,
Okay.
for me, as long as it doesn't block my lows, my highs, my anything, I'm okay with it.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah. So that is it. So it's a quick access. You can be able to get it there. Let me show you how to post now in the hub. So
Okay.
yeah, I've seen you've clicked a triangle. So draw that triangle.
Okay.
Yeah, I can see a very clear indication of what type of a star is that is popping up there. The one that you are drawing.
Yeah. That's a morning star.
Draw it. Draw the full of it. Just expand. Expand first.
Like this.
No. Expand. If you go to where your box is, you're able to expand. Are you?
Oh,
Yeah. Are you able to see? You're able to expand it either way.
okay.
Mhm.
Yeah.
So don't fear expanding it. So you can expand it to whatever size you want it to be. If you want to cover the whole candle of that area, it's okay. So if you click on the box, the way, no, don't even go there. Yes.
Okay.
Okay, I see you're trying to reach out for the text icon. It's okay. So, okay, it's okay. So just click on the text icon. There are actually two ways you can put a text. Then write. Morningstar, change your fonts at least to be white or something so that we can see it. Are you able to see up there? Up there,
Yeah.
there's another icon that popped up. Yes, click that exactly there. Then change the
Okay.
color. Yeah.
Yes.
Okay.
That's very nice. And you can also move it closer if you want.
So
Okay.
so just carry it and then you put it inside.
Okay.
Okay. Another way just to put a text. Are you able to see the click on the box?
Okay.
I want to show you two ways to add a text. Click on the box. You've clicked? No. Just one click. So have you seen up there? There's an icon that has popped up.
Yeah.
So then you click on setting.
Setting.
You see, yeah, you see the setting icon. No. See no, I want you to see there's text
Okay.
2x there, exactly there. Then you write a text.
Okay. Right here.
Click on text.
Select text up there,
Okay.
yes. Then you can say Morningstar. And you can select the color that you want it to appear with.
Okay.
Yeah, that is much better. Use the
That is
board.
normally easier. So you've seen how you can do it. There's actually two ways. But the second one is normally the best one because it's just in one tool you have both of the things there.
Yeah. Okay.
So I
So, okay.
oh, you
Oh,
stopped
before you stop sharing,
Yeah.
go to your image. You see your camera where you're seeing your camera on TradingView.
Mm-hmm.
Good. I want you to copy that image.
Okay.
Then I want you to open school.
Okay.
Okay, go write something. Paste. Just paste automatic. Paste fast. Good. You see your TradingView as that image has appeared there. Then I want you to write
Okay.
something. So you can decide to say title, homework, or blah, 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 Morningstar identification.
Okay.
yes.
Then tag Mr. Rain hapo there. I'm literally talking to you in Kiswahili.
How do I tag Mr. Rain?
So just at the way you normally tag anybody in Facebook, whatever.
Oh,
Yeah.
you
Stop
sharing.
sharing.
Oh,
So it's okay. It's okay. Just you can write just at, then say Nelson. I think it's called. You're called what in the
Nelson.
hub? Yeah.
Nelson FX.
Then you post. Then category, you have to make sure it is on question and answers.
okay.
I'm waiting to
Is it-
see if it
Oh,
pops up.
question.
Mhm.
Okay.
You've posted?
Yeah.
Let me see if it has come. So I didn't see nobody doing the homework for last week. Yeah, I can see Steven has done it. Yeah, I can see it now.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, I
So,
see.
Nelson, so maybe you want to add him some more assignment before tomorrow or Monday.
Yes, I want to add him more assignments so that he might not be idle. So I wanted you now to go. I think you should still share your chart. I think now what I wanted to show you, you have now done is just keep on sharing.
Okay.
Yes. So we had said about morning stars. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
I can't see your chart. You are
You
not
can see?
sharing.
You can see?
No, you're not sharing.
Okay.
Yes, now I can see it. Okay. So that was the 15 minutes. So we said, I think you have noted it down, 15 minutes. And when you are doing the assignment on the where you see the title, you always indicate the time frame that you are looking for. And then when you go to the 30 minutes, are you
So 30.
oh yeah, you can go to the 30 minutes. Yes, so I want you now to find the bullish and engulfing candles. Same way, the way you have been doing, you just box them, bullish and bearish engulfing candles.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Yes, you just
Yeah.
identify them, then you name them. And then I hope you have noted down.
So, okay. Like this one right here, right? Is bullish.
Yes.
This
So yeah. So you find the clear one, the one with the red and then a green candle, or a green candle, then a red candle engulfing the green one. Okay.
Yeah.
Yes, like this one down here. You see this one here. Let me annotate your screen in very small. You see like this one here. You mark this. Yes. Can you see my chart?
No, it doesn't show. For some reason, my screen it don't show when you
Oh, it doesn't
mark.
show.
Yeah.
Okay. Yes, there, where you are. Yes, like that one. That is a bullish engulfing candle. So you have to mark it the way I've been showing you. Make sure you
Yeah.
go through the video before you, if you feel you're confused about the assignment, go through the video.
Okay.
Okay, Anya.
Okay,
Okay.
awesome.